Ever wondered how to turn those fitness dreams into reality? Well, the first step is to have a clear and achievable fitness goal. It's not enough to simply say, I want to get fit. That's too vague. Instead, make your goal specific, like, I want to be able to run 5 miles without stopping, or I want to lose 20 pounds. But it's not just about being specific. Your fitness goals should also be measurable. This means setting a target that you can track. For instance, if your goal is to lose weight, you might measure your progress by the number of pounds or inches lost. Or if your goal is to improve your endurance, you might measure your progress by the distance you can run or the amount of time you can exercise without stopping. Now, while it's great to aim high, it's crucial that your fitness goals are attainable. Setting unrealistic goals can set you up for disappointment and demotivation. For example, if you've never run before, it might not be realistic to aim to run a marathon in a month. Instead, start with a smaller, more achievable goal, like running a mile without stopping, and then gradually increase your goal as your fitness improves. Your fitness goals should also be relevant to your life and your personal health needs. If you have joint issues, for instance, a goal to run a marathon might not be the best fit. Instead, a low-impact activity like swimming might be a better choice. Finally, make your fitness goals time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. This creates a sense of urgency and can motivate you to stick with your fitness plan. But remember, the timeline should be realistic. If your goal is to lose 20 pounds, for example, a healthy rate of weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. So a realistic timeline for this goal might be 3 to 6 months. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's start planning. Confused about where to start with your workout routine? Fear not. Let's delve into the world of fitness and decode what makes up a balanced workout routine. Picture your workout routine as a 4-legged table, each leg representing a key component necessary for stability and balance. These 4 legs are cardio, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises. First up, we have cardio. Cardiovascular exercises, or cardio for short, primarily target the heart and lungs, improving your body's oxygen use and overall endurance. This could be anything from brisk walking or running to swimming and cycling. Regular cardio exercises not only burn calories, but also reduce the risk of heart diseases and help manage blood pressure. The second leg of our fitness table is strength training. These exercises focus on building muscle strength and endurance. It's not just about lifting heavy weights or attaining bulging biceps. Strength training is vital for all of us as it helps maintain muscle mass as we age and supports bone health. Next up is flexibility. Flexibility exercises, like stretching and yoga, help improve the range of motion of our muscles and joints. Incorporating flexibility exercises into your routine helps prevent injuries and muscle stiffness, and it can also enhance your performance in other workouts. Finally, we come to balance exercises. Often overlooked, balance exercises are crucial, especially as we age. They help maintain stability, prevent falls, and improve our body's coordination. Simple activities like standing on one foot or walking heel to toe can work wonders for your balance. Each of these components is essential in its own way and contributes to overall fitness. They complement each other, creating a routine that covers all aspects of your well-being. Remember, fitness is not a one-size-fits-all concept. Your workout routine should be tailored to your body's needs and your personal goals. It's all about finding the right balance. A balanced workout routine is your ticket to comprehensive fitness. So why wait? Hungry for some healthy and tasty recipes? Here's one to try. We're making a vibrant, nutrient-packed quinoa salad. First off, let's chat about quinoa. It's a gluten-free, high-protein grain that's packed with all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, and various beneficial antioxidants. To get started, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water and then bring it to a boil with 2 cups of water. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer until the quinoa is tender and the water has been absorbed. This usually takes around 15 minutes. While your quinoa is cooking, let's prep some veggies. We'll need a cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber, and a bell pepper. These vegetables are not only adding color to our salad, but also a bunch of vitamins and antioxidants. Cherry tomatoes are high in vitamin C and potassium, while cucumbers are hydrating and rich in vitamin K. Bell peppers, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with vitamins A and C and are a good source of fiber. Now let's make a simple dressing. Combine the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a clove of minced garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil is an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, and it's loaded with powerful antioxidants. Garlic, besides adding a punch of flavor, has been linked to many health benefits, including improved heart health. Once your quinoa is ready and slightly cooled, mix it with your chopped veggies and pour over your dressing. Toss everything until well combined. For the final touch, sprinkle over some crumbled feta cheese and chopped parsley. Feta is lower in fat than many other cheeses and contains beneficial bacteria. Parsley is rich in antioxidants and vitamins K, A, and C. And there you have it, a simple, tasty, and nutritious quinoa salad. Healthy and delicious can go hand in hand. Give it a try and taste the difference. Fitness is not just about exercising and eating right. It's about overall wellness. When we talk about wellness, it's important to understand that it's not a single-lane highway. It's a multifaceted journey that encompasses various aspects of our lives. So let's dive into some wellness tips that can help you lead a balanced and healthier life. Firstly, let's talk about sleep. Often overlooked, getting enough sleep is essential for our body to recover and rejuvenate. A good 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can do wonders for your overall health and fitness. It not only helps in muscle recovery post-workout, but also boosts your mood and cognitive functions. So make sure to prioritize your sleep, just as you would your workout routine. Next up is hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for our body to function optimally. It aids in digestion, keeps our skin glowing, and even helps in weight management. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated, so keep that water bottle handy. Now, onto mindfulness practices. Research has shown that mindfulness, which could be in the form of meditation, yoga, or even simple breathing exercises, can significantly reduce stress levels. It helps us stay present, focused, and calm amidst the hustle and bustle of life. So take out a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Lastly, maintain a positive attitude towards your fitness journey. Fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be days when you might not feel like working out or eating healthy, and that's okay. What's important is to not beat yourself up about it. Instead, remind yourself of why you started this journey and how far you've come. Celebrate every little victory and stay motivated. Wellness is a holistic journey. Every step you take towards it counts. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress, so keep going, keep growing, and most importantly, keep glowing. Ready to embark on a journey towards fitness and wellness? Imagine a world where you wake up every morning feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. A world where you don't dread working out, but instead look forward to it because you've tailored it to fit your preferences and needs. Imagine sitting down to a meal that's not only delicious, but also nourishing for your body, giving you the fuel you need to thrive. Picture a life where you are not just surviving, but flourishing, all because you've taken the time to implement wellness tips that promote balance and harmony in your life. That world can be your reality. It starts with setting your fitness goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it to build strength, lose weight, or perhaps to increase your endurance? Whatever it is, write it down, make it tangible. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next, decode your workout routine. Tailor it to fit your objectives. If you want to build strength, focus on weightlifting. If you want to lose weight, incorporate more cardio. If you want to increase your endurance, consider high-intensity interval training. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. It's about finding what works best for you. And what about food? Try out the healthy recipe we shared. Food is fuel. It's what gives you the energy to carry out your workout routine and go about your day. The healthier your diet, the better you'll feel, and the better you'll perform. Finally, follow the wellness tips we've given. Wellness is not just about physical health. It's about mental and emotional health too. It's about achieving a state of balance. It's about taking care of yourself so that you can live your best life. Start today because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness and wellness tips. See you in the next video.